ये किसके लिए है? Who is this for? Who is this for? ये मेरे पिताजी के लिए है। This is for my father. This is for my father. तुमने मुझे क्यों बुलाया? Why did you call me? Why did you call me? मुझे तुमसे कुछ पूछना था। I wanted to ask you something. I wanted to ask you something. वो कब तक आएगा? When will he come? When will he come? वो 1 घंटे में आएगा। He will come in an hour. He will come in an hour. तुम्हारा पसंदीदा खेल क्या है? What is your favorite sport? What is your favorite sport? मुझे क्रिकेट पसंद है। I like cricket. I like cricket. वो किससे बात कर रहा था? Who was he talking to? Who was he talking to? वो अपने दोस्त से बात कर रहा था। He was talking to his friend. He was talking to his friend. तुमने किताब कहाँ रखी? Where did you keep the book? Where did you keep the book? मैंने किताब अलमारी में रखी। I kept the book in the cupboard. I kept the book in the cupboard. क्या तुमने अपना होमवर्क किया? Did you do your homework? Did you do your homework? हाँ, मैंने अपना होमवर्क पूरा किया। Yes, I completed my homework. Yes, I completed my homework. वो कब वापस आएगा? When will he come back? When will he come back? वो शाम को लौट आएगा। He will return in the evening. He will return in the evening. तुमने अपना फोन कहाँ छोड़ा? Where did you leave your phone? Where did you leave your phone? मैंने फोन टेबल पर रखा। I left the phone on the table. I left the phone on the table. उसने किससे बात की? Whom did he talk to? Whom did he talk to? उसने अपने दोस्त से बात की थी। He talked to his friend. He talked to his friend. तुमने अपना खाना खा लिया? Did you eat your food? Did you eat your food? हाँ, मैंने अपना खाना खा लिया। Yes, I ate my food. Yes, I ate my food. मुझे अब आराम चाहिए। I need rest now. I need rest now. इसे बाहर रखो। Keep it outside. Keep it outside. मुझे उसकी मदद चाहिए। I need his help. I need his help. इसे मत छुओ। Don't touch it. Don't touch it. मुझे इसे ठीक करना है। I have to fix it. I have to fix it. क्या ये काम करेगा? Will this work? Will this work? मुझे थोड़ी जगह चाहिए. I need some space. I need some space. इसे मत छोड़ो. Don't leave it. Don't leave it. मुझे और समय चाहिए. I need more time. I need more time. इसे मेरे पास लाओ. Bring it to me. Bring it to me. मुझे सब कुछ चाहिए. I want everything. I want everything. मुझे खुद पर भरोसा है. I trust myself. I trust myself. इसे सुरक्षित रखो. Keep it safe. Keep it safe. मुझे ये जानना है. I need to know this. I need to know this. इसे मुझे मत दो. Don't give it to me. Don't give it to me. मुझे तुम्हारी सलाह चाहिए. I need your advice. I need your advice. क्या ये सच है? Is this true? Is this true? मुझे कुछ सोचना है. I need to think. I need to think. मुझे तुम्हारी मदद चाहिए. I need your help. I need your help. इसे जल्दी मत करो. Don't rush it. Don't rush it. मुझे ठंड महसूस हो रही है. I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. मुझे इसे याद रखना है. I need to remember this. I need to remember this. इसे धीरे से करो. Do it slowly. Do it slowly. मुझे ध्यान देना चाहिए. I should pay attention. I should pay attention. क्या तुम इसे समझते हो? Do you understand this? Do you understand this? मुझे यहाँ रहने दो. Let me stay here. Let me stay here. इसे ठीक से करो. Do it properly. Do it properly. मुझे अपनी बात कहनी है. I have to say my point. I have to say my point. इसे मुझे समझाओ. Explain it to me. Explain it to me. मुझे उसकी आदत है. I am used to it. I am used to it. इसे ध्यान से सुनो. Listen it carefully. Listen it carefully. मुझे कुछ चाहिए. I need something. I need something. मुझे घर जाना है. I need to go home. I need to go home. इसे वहीं रहने दो. Leave it there. Leave it there. मुझे थोड़ा समय चाहिए. I need a little time. I need a little time. मुझे इसमें दिलचस्पी है. I am interested in this. I am interested in this. इसे मेरे साथ रखो. Keep it with me. Keep it with me.